the West Village, and we are doing a little bit of a maintenance treatment here today. We've optimized her facial structure like 6 months ago. By the way, we're both vaccinated. This is that fully vaccinated patient here. That's why we're not wearing a mask. Thank God we can actually talk and look at each other. And for her, it's really all about lifting and volumizing the face without inflating. We want to reflate, not inflate, and do what we can to volumize and lift the tissue without giving an overfilled look. And there's always a balance like that because surgery is always an option, minimally invasive or invasive. But she's someone where we got a really great result to revolumize and optimize the face. This is more of a maintenance treatment. I don't need as much product. I'm going to use some biostimulatory fillers like Radius laterally in the face for lift, and then some hyaluronic acid fillers in the mid-face and around the lips, which she always likes. As with any fad in cosmetic dermatology, whether it's the lips, the jawline, the nose, anything like that, there's a tendency where people just overfill. And this is a situation where we can make a big difference with the right amount of volume, and we can overdo it if we use too much. So I'm going to start a little bit, actually I'm going to start up in the cheek area. And really for her, it's about putting little bits in many places. And then we're going to put a little bit down here. And this is an area I'm cautious to overfill. We don't want to square the face. This one. Using a hyaluronic acid product. Just like the open mouth for me. Good. I love that sound. There you go. Much better. Lips are much better, right?
Thank you. Yes. Really happy.
They feel weird, but they look great.
They look beautiful.
All right.